Back here on our friend Harper. Her old dead wiper motor. Seen better days. It's missing brushes. He's dead. Hey man, he's dead. So we're gonna pull this off of here, put it here on the brand new one. Hot diggity damn. That's off, and it's crusty. So we're gonna pop that crusty mess out. Line up how we need to be on this side, and assemble. All right, let me go fish out our other link here. Ka-ching! Linky linkies. All right, so then the dingus on the dongle here is gonna go through them boys right there, and then onto the studs. And she's all mounted up. Everything's set. Even our NOS relay's looking good. But now we get to chase and repair all of this crispy, melty, not fun, which comes out right through here and drops into the car. So hopefully should be able to get to it. It's alive! Yay! Woohoo! Low, high, off, intermittent, yay!